Aging does not mean that you have to decline. And when the mitochondria are fresh, just like a fresh battery, they can hold and deliver a lot of energy. When old mitochondria that are not working that well start to pile up, well, guess what? Your body has a hard time actually generating the energy.
Meet William W. Li, a Harvard-trained physician, medical researcher, and best-selling author who studies how the body protects and heals itself. He is also the president of the Angiogenesis Foundation. Dr. Li is well known for explaining how food can support the body's natural defense systems, including the immune system, metabolism, and cellular energy. In his books, Eat to Beat Disease and Eat to Beat Your Diet, he explains that the right foods can help protect cells, support mitochondria, and improve overall health. His main message is simple: the foods we eat every day can help our bodies stay stronger, healthier, and more energetic. What is mitochondria?
I'm going to start by talking about something called mitochondria. You may have heard about mitochondria already. And if you haven't, I want to tell you, these are little engines that are inside your cells, and they're powerhouses. All right. They're like batteries inside your cell. They generate all the energy that your cell needs, that your body relies on in order to be able to move and to run all the processes in your body. All right. And when the mitochondria are fresh, just like a fresh battery, they can hold and deliver a lot of energy. But as you get older, just like an older battery, all right, those batteries can wear down. They can lose a lot of their power, right? Like old batteries in a flashlight, right? The light isn't so bright anymore, and your energy can start to fade in your body as your mitochondria get older. And when old mitochondria that are not working that well start to pile up, well, guess what? Your body has a hard time actually generating the energy. This decline in mitochondrial health, we're starting to realize, is one of the underlying causes of fatigue and muscle weakness. And actually, it may wind up being underlying a growing number of age-related diseases. So mitochondria decline, all right?
Let's talk about something inside your body that most people never think about: mitochondria. You can think of mitochondria as the tiny power plants inside your cells. Every cell in your body, whether it's in your muscles, brain, heart, or liver, needs energy to work. That energy is produced by mitochondria. In simple terms, mitochondria are like little batteries inside your cells. They generate the energy your body needs to do everything. Move your muscles, think and concentrate, pump your heart, repair tissues, and keep your organs functioning properly. When your mitochondria are healthy and strong, they produce plenty of energy. This is why younger people often feel energetic, recover quickly, and can stay active throughout the day. But as we get older, something begins to change. Just like the battery in a phone or a flashlight, mitochondria can gradually wear down over time. When that happens, they can't produce energy as efficiently as they once did. Imagine putting old batteries in a flashlight. The light still turns on, but it's dim and weak. A similar thing can happen in the body. As mitochondria age, some of them stop working properly. Instead of producing strong energy, they become less efficient and weaker. Over time, these worn-out mitochondria can start to accumulate inside cells. When too many weak mitochondria build up, your cells struggle to produce enough energy. And this may lead to symptoms many people notice as they age, such as feeling tired more often, lower stamina, muscle weakness, slower recovery after exercise, and reduced overall energy. Scientists are now discovering that declining mitochondrial health may play a role in many age-related problems, including fatigue, metabolic issues, and even some chronic diseases. Compound that boost longevity.
Your body can make a natural substance, it's called Urolithin A, that can help charge your batteries up. It can help your mitochondria perform better. And the way it does it is by cleaning up all the old, broken down, worn out, not so good mitochondria, right? So it's like taking all those old batteries out of your flashlight and tossing them out and adding new ones back in. Clear away the old ones so that you can put in new ones. New healthy mitochondria are going to give you more energy, okay? So that way your body will have more battery power, more energy, your muscles will be stronger, you'll have better endurance. This is all science.
Now here's the exciting part. Your body has the ability to produce a natural compound called Urolithin A. This substance can help your cells stay energized by improving the health of your mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your cells. Remember how we compared mitochondria to batteries? Over time, some of those batteries get old and stop working well. When too many weak mitochondria build up, your cells can't produce energy as efficiently. Urolithin A helps solve this problem. It works by helping the body clean out old and damaged mitochondria. Scientists call this process mitophagy, which is basically your cell's way of recycling worn-out parts. Think of it like a flashlight filled with old batteries. If you remove the weak batteries and replace them with fresh ones, the light becomes bright again. Your body does something similar. By clearing away the damaged mitochondria, your cells can make room for new, healthy mitochondria that produce energy more efficiently. When your mitochondria work better, your body may experience benefits like more energy, stronger muscles, better endurance, and improved cellular health. Scientists are actively studying this process because mitochondrial health appears to play an important role in energy levels, aging, and overall physical performance. How your body makes urolithin A?
When they looked at mitochondrial health, how healthy were the mitochondria? Urolithin A takers actually had 22% increase in the health of the mitochondria. Makes sense, right? Out with the old, in with the new, 22% healthier. And the reason I'm telling you is because I was skeptical about urolithin A supplements and mitochondria for a long time. But I'm a scientist, and really a good scientist always starts with having an open mind. So you might be skeptical about something, but let's look at the data. And I just showed you the data. Urolithin A actually improves human parameters that you can measure that reflect better mitochondria and less inflammation. Okay, so without a supplement, I told you your body already makes urolithin A. Where does it make it? Well, it turns out urolithin A is made in your gut. And how does your gut make it? Well, it makes it from food. Foods that contain natural bioactives called elagitannins and ellagic acid, all right? That's ELLAGIC, ellagic acid, or elagitannins is ELLAGITANNINS, elagitannins, all right? This is the starting block to make urolithin A naturally in your gut.
3 most effective foods to regrow mitochondria.
So what are the foods that contain ellagic acid and elagitannins? Pomegranate, walnuts, berries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries. You eat those foods, pomegranates, walnuts, strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, you are feeding your body with the substrate, the starter material for your gut bacteria to make urolithin A. And when you eat them, guess what? Your gut microbiome goes to work, transforms the elagitannins and ellagic acid into urolithin A. That gets into the bloodstream, circulates throughout the body, and guess what? You wind up actually having more fresh mitochondria, more energy in your body. That is a good thing. What's interesting is that not everyone does this metabolism to create ellagitannin into urolithin the same way. Some people's microbiome are better at doing this than others, but everybody benefits from eating those foods like pomegranates and berries I told you about, and walnuts. But you should eat those foods anyway because they deliver other polyphenols and dietary fiber and anti-inflammatory substances that activate your health defenses and lower inflammation.
Think of certain foods as fuel for your body's internal repair system. Foods like pomegranates, walnuts, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries contain special natural compounds called ellagic acid and elagitannins. These are powerful plant nutrients found mainly in berries and nuts. But here's where it gets really interesting. When you eat these foods, the compounds themselves are not the final hero. Instead, they act like raw materials for the tiny bacteria living in your gut microbiome. Your gut bacteria take those compounds and transform them into another powerful substance called urolithin A. Once produced, urolithin A enters your bloodstream and travels throughout the body. Scientists have discovered that this compound can help your cells clean out old, damaged mitochondria. Mitochondria are often called the power plants of your cells because they produce the energy your body needs to function. Over time, these power plants become worn out and less efficient. Urolithin A helps trigger a process where the body removes old mitochondria and replaces them with fresh, healthier ones. This process may support better energy production, muscle health, and healthy aging. However, not everyone produces urolithin A in the same way. Some people have gut bacteria that are very good at making it, while others produce smaller amounts. This depends on the unique makeup of each person's microbiome. But here's the key point: everyone still benefits from eating these foods. Even if your body produces less urolithin A, foods like pomegranates, berries, and walnuts are still packed with polyphenols, fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. These nutrients help support your immune system, heart health, and overall wellness, while also helping reduce inflammation in the body. So by simply adding more berries, pomegranates, and walnuts to your diet, you're feeding both your body and the helpful bacteria in your gut, creating a powerful partnership that supports your health from the inside out. How to prepare these foods.
Urolithin A, really important for energy. And if you get it from pomegranate, you can add some pomegranate to your yogurt, for example, or crush up some walnuts and sprinkle it onto your salad. It's a great way to actually get the foods that actually give the starter material for urolithin A. Or one of the things I love to do is just have a bowl of berries for breakfast. I have a cup of coffee, maybe a cup of tea, depends on my mood, but I often go for coffee. Sometimes I'll just fix myself a bowl of berries, and that's pretty much it. If I can get whole yogurt, I'll do that as well. But berries, you can also toss in a smoothie if you want a smoothie as well, okay?
Easy recipes anyone can try. Here are some simple, everyday recipes. 1. Pomegranate yogurt energy bowl. A perfect breakfast or healthy snack. Ingredients: 1 cup plain yogurt, 1/4 cup pomegranate seeds, 1 tablespoon crushed walnuts, 1/2 cup mixed berries, 1 teaspoon honey. How to make it: 1. Add yogurt to a bowl. 2. Sprinkle berries on top. 3. Add pomegranate seeds. 4. Crush walnuts and sprinkle them over. 5. Drizzle a little honey if you want sweetness. This bowl is packed with polyphenols, fiber, and ellagic acid. 2. Berry Power Smoothie. Great for breakfast or after exercise. Ingredients: 1 cup strawberries, 1/2 cup raspberries, and 1/2 cup blueberries, 1/2 cup yogurt or almond milk, 1 tablespoon walnuts, a 1/2 banana. Blend everything for 30 seconds until smooth. This smoothie delivers a big dose of ellagitannins and antioxidants. 3. Walnut berry salad. A refreshing lunch or side dish. Ingredients: mixed greens hour, 1/4 cup strawberries, 1/4 cup raspberries, 2 tablespoons chopped walnuts, a few pomegranate seeds, olive oil plus lemon juice. How to make it: 1. Add greens to a bowl. 2. Add berries and pomegranate seeds. 3. Sprinkle walnuts on top. 4. Drizzle olive oil and lemon juice. This salad supports heart health, gut health, and cellular energy. 4. Simple berry breakfast. This is the easiest routine many health experts follow. Morning routine example: bowl of mixed berries, a handful of walnuts, a cup of coffee or green tea. It's simple, quick, and loaded with polyphenols that feed your gut bacteria. 5. Pomegranate walnut oatmeal. A warm and healthy breakfast. Ingredients: 1/2 cup oats, 1 cup milk or water, 2 tablespoons pomegranate seeds, 1 tablespoon walnuts, cinnamon. Cook oats normally, then top with pomegranate seeds and walnuts.